Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be trying dip powders and dip liquids from West Coast Dips. We're going to be using 3 colors today to create a fun Valentine's Day springy mani. The first color here, it's called Dreamy, and this is a solid light pink. It is like the perfect light pink color. It has more of a whiter undertone to it. And then we have Admirer, which is a really fun dip. Now it doesn't look like anything crazy in the jar, but it's a milky base and it has these color shifting glitter hearts in it, and it's really pretty. You'll see it in action here in a few moments. And then we're going to pair it with Sweetheart, which is a pink iridescent chunky glitter. It's a chunky and a fine glitter mix, and it has these really pretty pink reflective glitters in there, which almost gives it like an opal effect. These colors are perfect for Valentine's Day and the upcoming spring season, and they're really good staple colors overall. I really like the light elegance of these pinks. We will be using the dip liquids for today's mani, and we're going to be dipping on top of my jelly tips that have builder gel on them. I already applied my peel base for the mani, and we're going to go ahead and start with that dip base. You can see there that that bottle does have a stopper in there. I really like bottles that have a stopper on it, and these bottles feel really sturdy, which is also another plus. I'm going to start the mani today by dipping into Dreamy, which is that beautiful light pink solid color. So starting with that first layer of base, I can already tell that it is definitely a thinner consistency dip liquid, which I definitely prefer. So for the thumbnail only, you will notice that I'm dipping directly into the jar. I do prefer the pour over method when I am using dip powders. I just like how I get more of a thinner application when I do the pour over method, but this is what Dreamy looks like with that first dip. So now we're going to go in with the West Coast Dips Cuticle Precision Tool, which I really enjoyed using because it did not have that pointy tip at the end of it. I've tried so many precision tools that have this super sharp point at the end of it. This one did not, and I really enjoyed using this precision tool. So you will notice that I am only going in with 2 dips of Dreamy. I really liked how it gave me almost like a milky pink look with 2 dips of Dreamy, but if you did 3 dips, it definitely would build up that pink opacity. All right, so we're going to continue this mani process, and then I will pop back in at the end with my final thoughts.
different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh.
Alright, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. It's super soft and pretty, and I really like that dip powder Admire with those hearts. Now, don't let those chunky hearts fool you. They laid super flat to the nail, and that clear dip powder that we used came out crystal clear. Now, those liquids that I used today are more of a faster drying time, but I did not have any problems once I dipped into the dip powder, cleaned out the cuticle, and I could dust off that extra powder without any issue. These colors are perfect for Valentine's Day and the upcoming spring season. Just because there's hearts in this dip powder, I feel like this is just a fun dip powder that you could use all year long. Alright, so I will go ahead and list everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below. And if you tried West Coast dips, let me know as well what your favorite colors are so I can check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.